Students, I am revising exercise 4.3. This is question number 1, second part. In this question, we have to draw a quadrilateral PLAN. These are its measurements. According to the given measurements, I draw a rough sketch. This is the PLAN quadrilateral. So PL is equal to 4 centimeter. This is our PL. So it is 4 centimeter. LA is equal to 6.5 centimeter. LA is one more side of the quadrilateral, that is 6.5 centimeter. Angle angle P is equal to 90 degree. This is angle P, which is 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 110 degree. Angle N is equal to 85 degree. Students, we can choose PL because its measurement is given, and we can also choose PL because its measurement is also given. But in both cases, the one angle is missing in line PL and AL also. If we see PL, then angle 90 degree is given on P, but angle L is not given. The same case is here. In AL side, angle A is given, but angle L is not given. So in both situation, we have to need angle L. So first of all, we will find angle L with the use of angle sum property. So we know the angle sum property of quadrilateral is, that is, sum of all four angles of the quadrilateral always equal to 360 degree. So angle P plus angle N plus angle A and plus angle L, it should be equal to 360 degree. Angle P is 90 degree, angle N is 85 degree, angle A is 110 degree, and this is our angle L. It is equal to 360 degree. Now sum of these three angles, it is 285 degree plus L as it is angle and is equal to 360. Now we can shift 285 right side of the equation. We can easily find angle L. So it is 360. It will change its sign, minus 285. Then after subtraction, we can find it is 75 degree. So our angle L is equal to 75 degree. Now we can easily draw this quadrilateral because the PL side 4 centimeters given here and its both angles are known, and AL side is given and its both angles are known. So we can choose any one of the line. I am choosing PL here. So take your scale and draw a line segment 4 centimeter first of all, because our PL is equal to 4 centimeter. It is point P, it is point L, it is 4 centimeter. Now on point P, there is angle 90 degree. Construction of 90 degree is very simple. Students, you learn the construction of 90 degree in lower classes. If you want to draw this angle with the help of compass, you can also draw, but I am taking here D to draw the angle 90 degree. So this is our point P. I am placing it on point P, and this is our 90 degree angle. Now join this point with P and extend. Because we don't know the length of PN, so we can extend it up to a long line. This is point X. This is our angle 90 degree. Now with the help of D, we can draw angle 75 also. Students, we know 75 is an acute angle. Acute angle means it is less than 90 degree. So when we will draw it on L, then definitely it will bend towards the line. Okay. So I'm placing my D on point L. Now pay attention. This is our 75 between 17 and 80. And this is also 75 between 70 and 80. But we are choosing this 75 because this point is bending towards PL. Now extend it also. But this time we know its length. It is 6.5 centimeter. We can see from point L, the point A is 6.5 centimeter. So with the help of scale, we can take 6.5 centimeter distance from point L. So this is our point A. Now this is our point A, and we can draw 110-degree angle on point A. We cannot draw angle 85 because point N is still unknown. So I'm placing my D on point A. 110-degree is obtuse angle, so it will go away from the line segment AL. So we can see 110 is here and 110 is also here. We will choose this 110 because this point is go away from the line segment AL. Now join this point with A. This line will cut the previous line at point N. This is our angle 110. Now if we want to check this angle, then we can find automatically this angle will come 85 degree. I am checking it. So this is our angle 85. Students, this is our required quadrilateral PLAN.